Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch paper. Making your own paper is a fantastic way to give old materials new life, turning everyday scraps into beautiful, functional art supplies. It's a truly rewarding process that allows for incredible customization. You can control the texture, thickness, and even add decorative elements to create paper perfectly suited for your artistic vision. Let's dive into this exciting DIY journey. To begin, gather your materials. You'll need scrap paper, such as old newspapers, office paper, or even junk mail, ensuring it's free of plastic or staples. Tear these into small 1-inch pieces and place them in a bowl. Cover the paper with hot water and let it soak for at least a few hours or, ideally, overnight. This softens the fibers, making them easier to blend into a smooth, soup-like pulp. Now for the exciting part, forming your sheets. Fill a larger container or vat with water and add a generous handful of your prepared pulp, stirring well. Submerge your mold and decal, which is a screen in a frame, into the pulp mixture. Scoop up a thin, even layer of pulp, then gently shake it to distribute the fibers uniformly. Carefully lift the mold, allowing excess water to drain, then transfer the wet sheet onto a piece of felt or an absorbent cloth. After couching, it's time to press and dry your paper. Place another absorbent cloth on top of your wet sheet and apply firm, even pressure to remove as much water as possible. You can use a rolling pin or heavy books for this. Then, carefully peel the damp paper from the cloth and lay it flat on a clean, dry surface, like a screen or a window pane, to air dry. This process typically takes 12 to 24 hours, resulting in beautiful, unique sketch paper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.